Okay, so now we've got our hardware installed, now electronics all connected up. The last thing we need to do is just a basic final setup. So I'm going to go through a basic final setup here. You'll probably want to come back to this and make more adjustments after you've become more accustomed to the guitar, more accustomed to the neck. But for now, we're going to cover neck relief, action, which is the height of the strings from the fretboard, intonation, and lastly, we'll have a quick look at our pickup height. Now, first thing you want to do is make sure the guitar's tuned to concert pitch. You want to always make sure this is the case whenever you're doing a setup, and you're going to want to come back and check the tuning throughout. Okay, so the first thing I want to check is neck relief. Now, you don't want a dead flat neck. If you have a dead flat neck, you're going to run into an increased chance of fret bars, which is essentially the strings vibrating against the